Count it. A spirit is living under 8 levels of life. Number 1 level of a spirit is desire. Second level, illusion. Third level, emotion. Fourth level, sentiment. Fifth level, obsession. Sixth level, compulsion. Seventh level, addiction. Eighth level, dependency. Simple. All this level of a spirit is what moves spirit. So addiction is drug addiction. That's why spirit, you like, you drink. When your spirit become unstable in one manner. When you feel in one or in one here, in whatever you want to drink, so it's part of the spiritual desire. So it's not strange. So the desire is not controlled. Illusion is not controlled. Emotion is not controlled. Sentiment is not controlled. Then comes obsession. When obsession comes, then a drug comes in. So this one you are talking about, drug, you will have more. You will have your children junkies on your own street, in your own eyes. It will happen because you cannot change the clock. If you don't want